Welcome to KidsMAKE, brought to you by the Pikes Peak Library District. My name is Katie, and today I'm going to show you how to make watercolor stained glass. You will need watercolor paper or heavy white cardstock, black cardstock, watercolors, glue, scissors, some water, and a paintbrush and a pencil. Start with a pencil outline of your design. Then you're going to use black crayon or black oil pastel to outline your lines of your stained glass. You want to make sure that you lay down a nice coating of pastel to hold in your watercolor. When you are finished, you should have nice thick black lines for your stained glass. Next, you will wet your paper in the section that you want to paint. And dab inside your section. You can mix colors here to get a neat effect. Make sure you put enough water in each section to get it nice and wet. And then add the color. Keep going until you have filled your entire stained glass. For a 3D effect, you can cover your stained glass in glue. Add glue to each section. You don't have to worry about making it too even. It will level out as it dries. If you want to make designs, you can leave your glue as is without spreading it out. If your paint has not quite dried, it'll mix in with the glue, which will give you sort of a marbled effect. And once you're happy with it, you want to put your design in a place where it can dry, and it might take overnight or a couple days to dry, depending. You can make another type of stained glass by using some black paper and some white cardstock. We're going to draw a design on the white paper in sections, paint it, then we will cut it out and glue it to the black paper. Next, we will watercolor inside each of the sections of our design, and then we're going to let those dry, and then we will cut them out and glue them to our black paper. You will start by working section by section, and you'll want to wet your paper first in the area that you're going to add color. Once that section is nice and wet, you can add your color. And dab it in, and then you can watch it spread. If you go over the lines, that's okay, because you're going to be cutting out your sections. Once you've finished with each section, let it dry. Then you will cut out each of your pieces. Once you have all your pieces cut out, you can lay them on your black paper in an arrangement that you like. Now that I have everything arranged the way I want it, I'm going to glue each piece down with a glue stick. When everything is glued and in place, let it dry, and then your project is finished, unless you would like to add glue to the black lines to add dimension. Now you can see two versions of watercolored stained glass that you can make.